In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Hidive discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Hidive discount codes. Right here, scroll down a little bit until you find this website, which is called couponburst.com, and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this 50% discount off your purchase, all you need to do is simply tap on this promotion right here and the promo code will show up. You can tap right here to copy the promo code and you can apply this promo code in order to get that 50% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we also have this website. Just let me find this simplycodes.com. And right here we have some promo codes right here, as you can see. So for example, if you want to get your first month free subscription at Hidive, all you need to do is select copy code from right here. And this is the promo code. You can tap right here to copy this one and you can apply the promo code in order to get the discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.